So this device in front of me, my goodness, you guys have been shouting at me on Twitter, Lou, you gotta get your hands on this guy right here. Everyone's talking about it. The OnePlus killer. It's from Xiaomi. It's called the Pocophone, a budget phone. But the crazy part about this phone, the specs are not budget at all. This is the global version that I have right here. And this is where things get spicy. Snapdragon 845, liquid cooling system, dual camera setup with a 20 megapixel front facing camera, 4,000 milliamp hour battery, dual SIM built in. What would you be willing to pay for something like that? Well, let me blow your mind. This thing is supposed to start at $299, $299. Wow, maybe that does have a shot. Maybe that is the OnePlus killer. Because of course, as you know, the OnePlus device around 500 bucks, that's a bit of a gap. If it can deliver on the expectations, it might be just the go-to phone in general. I don't know. Let's go ahead and crack this open. I just noticed mine says F1 Armored Edition. You see that, Jack, right there? We'll find out in a moment here. So first things first, we have the device. They've included a case as well. Kaboom. And a nice texture. I'm a big fan of that texture. It's got some grip to it. No fingerprints. Unlike the glossy finishes that we're seeing on so many devices. Circular fingerprint scanner. If I'm being honest here, you might confuse the lens unit for the fingerprint scanner. Let's see here. All right. USB Type-C on the bottom here, along with your speaker unit. A 3.5 millimeter headphone jack on the top. In the box, we have a quick charge power brick. Once again, that quick charge 3.0. A Type-C cable to charge it up, SIM card tool right there. Okay. My first impressions on the build quality, the thing feels solid. Willie Do just clarified the back panel here is made out of aramid Kevlar fiber, and it's cool that someone's putting it straight onto a phone and not just in a case. Okay, so we're gonna set up the fingerprint scanner here. Here we go. I'm gonna scan my finger in here. So the display is 6.18 inches. It's LCD, IPS, so it should have pretty good color reproduction. So quick comparison here, P20 Pro on this side, which is an AMOLED display, and then we have the LCD in the left hand on the F1. And, you know, I mean, you see how the OLED stays more vibrant at different viewing angles, but dead on. It's a toss-up, right? Let's launch the cameras here. Let's get a couple props on the desk here. Jack's favorite action figure. Big fight coming up. Just in the standard mode, we have 3 different items. Feels pretty quick off the bat. What do you say, Jack? Your boy Connor's not looking too shabby. Okay, so the dual lens setup is 12 megapixels and 5 megapixels, and then the front camera is 20 megapixels. Try out this portrait mode. Focus in on him. He's actually, it's a little blurry behind him. It kind of grabbed the edge pretty decently, right around the hairline. And it looks pretty decent even with this fake little dude here. 20 megapixel selfie camera is what they are saying. And we're looking for detail. We're looking for beard hairs. Ooh, Jack Attack. What do you say about that? Ryan, can you count some beard hairs? Come over here, Ryan. Come on in and say hello. Ryan is in Toronto! Oh!
I didn't think you were gonna have me on.
I didn't think I was either. I don't know. You got me fired up there. That's a front-facing camera.
Yeah.
Hey!
I have to compare. It looks good though, not bad. Yeah, I mean, it's sharp.
Dude!
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It looks better than I look in real life.
It's pretty good.
It's a lot of detail. It's good, right?
It's good. It's good.
You don't expect this for $299 starting price? I have had nowhere near the number of tweets about a particular device.
The back,
boys.
It's kind of like the phone I have with the case right now, right? But you don't need a case. If you drop it, is it still going to be okay?
Well, I mean, don't go dropping it, right?
No, I'm not dropping it.
But if you do drop it, $299.
I would use it.
The build feels solid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guess my time's down here, folks.
Oh, there he goes. And he goes back to Calgary, and who knows if we'll see, when and if we'll see him again. By the way, this is a good time to test the fingerprint now that it's locked. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Oh. 3, 2, 1. I'll tell you something. I don't think they skimped on that. Now, you guys know I care about the speaker. If I cover up this unit right here, you still hear a little treble out of the earpiece section. Okay, hold up. P20 Pro, let's go real quick. Remember, P20 Pro, much higher price point. Ah. The P20 Pro sounds better. Okay, fine. Like, right? There's more depth. I think it kind of lands actually right where I expected. I mean, even iPhone sounds better than that. Do we have an iPhone? Okay, out of this bunch, I'm gonna say the iPhone 10 sounds the best, but not only is it unfair price-wise, it's also just like, it's not a massive gap. You would have thought they would have skimped even further. You would have thought there's a possibility that it could have sounded even worse at this particular price point. It's my first exposure to this brand, to this device. I have to say, it's impressive right now. At this price point, I hear you. I know why you guys were yelling at me to look at this thing now. Stuff is happening. This phone matters. We gotta rearrange our thought process on this stuff. And these other devices are coming out at 1,000 plus. It's like, are they really that much better? Better enough? Snapdragon 845, 6 gigs of RAM and various storage options, starting at 300 bucks. 4,000 milliamp hour battery with Quick Charge 3.0, starting at 300 bucks. 6-inch plus display, not OLED, but not ugly, starting at 300 bucks. Fingerprint scanner, which is quick, and a camera, which I have to say, I'm a bit surprised by. I'm kind of buying into the hype a little bit right now, and I don't do that very often. If you want me to use this thing more extensively, I could do a challenge, I could throw a sim in, and we could figure out where this industry's going. Like, how good is this at this price point? And does it change the game enough to make you think twice about buying a premium phone at a premium price? Smartphones at this price are getting really good. This episode of Unbox Therapy is brought to you by Mint Mobile. This in front of me is the Cleverness Kit. This is a way to save some serious cash on your monthly mobile bill. You just punch out this universal SIM card, insert it, activate it, and you're good to go. You can enjoy a plan as little as $15 per month. You get to choose between 2, 5, or 10 gigabytes of 4G LTE data. You can choose a new phone number or bring your old one over with you. And every single plan that Mint Mobile has comes with unlimited talk and text. To get your brand new wireless plan for $15 per month, head over to mintmobile.com/unboxtherapy or input code unboxtherapy on the site. I'll also have the link down in the description. Once again, that's mintmobile.com/unboxtherapy. Save some cash on your wireless bill.